father who is. I sometimes think I would have been better off pairing with a decoy.
I'm sure Rick will make a marvelous father when the family arrives.
Not him. Duck by name, duck by nature. Ducking out of responsibility. Ooh. I say, if butts were made to be sitting on eggs all day, they should have been designed with big old dimples and...
Ida, the very thought. Well, how much longer do you have to go?
Well, by my reckoning, they should be out by now. I went to all of my prenatal hatching classes, run by that self-satisfied stork, and she said about half a month, but 2 weeks is up.
Oh, well, the best things come to those who wait, Ida.
I don't know. Why do we put ourselves through it? Every spring it's exactly the same.
But just think of the rewards. All those lovely little ducklings.
All those beaks to feed.
Waking you up at all hours.
Getting into deep water.
Attracting unwanted admirers.
Like the cat.
Why do we put ourselves through it? 'Cause when you hear that dibble-dabble, you're proud to say, hey, that's my rattle! And watch their maiden voyage out in the bay.
Like champagne corks, you'll see them bobbing,
accompanied by mother sobbing. To thee, thanks to nature, nobody sank. It's the joy. Oh, prepare yourself, Ida. Oh, Ida, they're the loveliest little ducklings I've ever set my eyes on. They're the image of their father.
Thanks. And speaking of Daddy, for me, would you be a dear and try to find him for me? He's probably making waves down at the local watering hole.
All right, Ida. Mental more is off now.